Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening. Okay, today I will replace the aircon filter and also make a cleaning to the front blower aircon inside my Serena S-Hybrid C26. Okay, the locations of this filter and also the front blower is inside this front panels of our car. Okay, so first thing you have to do is to unhook. Okay, unhook this sliding lever. Okay, at the right side of the this compartment. Okay, just unhook. That means you just push this this slider to the right. Okay, then pull up. Okay, pull up this compartment and then bend over, and then you just take out this. Next process is you unscrew this star head screw. Okay, that means using a star head winch. Okay, unscrew this screw. Okay, this is a star head screw. Okay, the purpose of this star head screw is we can apply this to this screw with a high torque. The torque will be distributed between all the slot in the star screw. Okay, that is the purpose of this star head screw. Okay, after unscrew this star head screw, pull this component up. Okay, pull this component up to you. Okay, slide it and then take out this component. Okay, then unscrew. Okay, remove this screw pin. After remove this screw pin, then you can pull out this plastic panel. Okay, pull out. From here, that is the cover. Okay, so we need to open this cover. Okay, the black one. Okay, this one. This is the cover. So it has a clip here, a clip here. So open this cover and then take out the filter, aircon filter. Okay, unclip the cover, then we take out this air filter. Next step is I will unscrew this screw or remove this screw. This screw is only one for the blower, front blower, and also disconnect this socket electrical for the motor blower. So then you pull this blower motor with, or you also have to unclip, okay, this clip. So pull this motor and then get it out from this inside of the component of the interior panel. Okay, now I have cleaned up the blower. Okay, now I put back place, and the process is reverse process. Okay, then install the new one, Aircond filter. Okay. This one the new one. Okay, the installations. Back it compartment. You can push this flexible filter, so push it at the end, slot into the filter place. Okay, so push the filter in the hole. Okay, it fit now. So reverse process. Okay, put again the first the compartment. Okay, fit. Okay, and the installations back is a reverse process. Okay, thank you for watching. Saya harap video ini dapat membantu semua. Okay, terima kasih and thank you very much.